My heartiest gratitude to all the So To High viewers for their love and support. I, Aditi Agarwal, founder at So To High, welcome Sushma Agarwal, who designs and makes beautiful handcrafted items like hair clips, jewelry, rakhi, tags, and many, many more items. You can also buy her items on First Cry, Amazon, Style Milo, or you may have already bought it. You never know that you've already purchased items made by Sushma. So let's know the journey of Kalakari from its curator Sushma Agarwal, who is present with us today. A very warm welcome, Sushma, at So Too High.
Hello Aditi, hello So Too High, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you for saying a yes and coming and sharing your journey too. So, Sushma, tell us about the conception phase about Kalakari. When you got the idea of making these items, what was that phase about?
It's we work on the demand of the clients.
Okay.
Suppose someone contact us that my child's birthday, so we immediately ask them that what is your theme? Because nowadays personalization and customization matters. So when they give us the theme, we said okay, we can do, and then we start searching.
Okay.
If they suppose give us the theme Dora
Hmm.
or the Frozen, so then we start searching. Then we start searching what we can make, how we can customize Dora, how we can customize the Frozen.
Okay.
Then we share the reference pics with our clients, and the one they choose, then we start working on them.
Wow. So, Sushma, if you can just recall your first project, first work which you did, what was that about? What excitement and what learning you got from that experience?
That Kalakari we started in 2015 in May,
Okay,
and we were shifting from Bangalore to Pune at that time.
okay,
One of our very good family friend who keep visiting us, she always keeps saying me, you have to do something, you have to do something for your sake. You have I don't know what you will do, but you think about yourself what you can do and you have to do. So it give me a platform to think what can I do. So there's always a uh, my attraction towards the creative things whenever I saw in the market and anywhere in the exhibitions or anywhere. So always I think in the way कि इसको अगर ऐसे नहीं बनाया जाता, ऐसे बनाया जाता तो शायद ये और भी अच्छा लगता.
okay.
तो हाँ, सो मैंने सोचा चलो इसी में हम कुछ करते हैं. So the first item I made, that was a rakhi.
Oh,
And Rakhi, because I started in May and the Rakhi season comes in July or August.
mm-hmm.
And the demand for the uh, Rakhi is always high in the market. So I customize a Rakhi and I just launched my page with that Rakhi pic.
Oh, wow.
After that, I got my first order with a client who just say, "Can you make a hair accessory organizer for my daughter?" And it was a very good. मतलब I feel like कि अरे वाह, मतलब सिर्फ एक राखी देख के she has so much faith on me that she is giving me so much of responsibility. So I said कि I am shifting after 15 days. Can you connect with me? And the best part, she wait for me for 15 days, and
Okay.
after that she messaged me that have you settled down in Pune? Can you now customize a Dora theme hair accessory organizer for my daughter? So that was my first order.
Wow.
एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ मैं बस उसको बनाते चली गई एंड वो बन गया एंड फिर उसके बाद शी लाइक्स दैट अ लॉट.
Wow. So,
सो
Sushma, if you can just tell us about a few milestones that you can recall.
माइलस्टोन्स, आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड कि चलो ठीक है, आई हैव सम ऑफ माय फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, आई हैव अ डॉटर, आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ हर. सो कुछ मेरे पास भी टाइम पास होता रहेगा मेरा, बट आई नेवर थॉट कि बाय गॉड ग्रेस हम यहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे.
Yes.
सो माइलस्टोन हमारा first cry was the first uh, हमारे साथ था. First cry approached us
अच्छा.
on on our page Kalakari, that are you interested, we want to launch your products on First Cry.
Wow, that's
Hmm.
a very good
हाँ,
feeling. First cry.
that's a very good feeling. And even, you know, I just saw the message and share with my husband. He said, Kia, you can try. This can give you a good opportunity also. So we just हम आगे बढ़े, हमने उनसे बात की. पर कुछ फैमिली मेंबर से भी हमने वो किया. कुछ ने कहा कि नो, इट्स नॉट ऑफ यूज, आप अगर उसमें करोगे तो ऐसा है वैसा है. देन आई डिसाइडेड दैट वी विल डू. देखा जाएगा क्या होगा. इफ द डिटर्मिनेशन इज स्ट्रांग एंड हैव फेथ इन गॉड, आई थिंक कि वो पूरा होता है लाइफ में. So I never thought कि हम यहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे. Then Amazon, then Style Milo approached us also.
Okay.
कि we want to launch your Rakhis. Are you interested in launching Rakhis? Then we started with Rakhis with the Style Milo. Then this year we launched our Rakhis on Amazon, and we got a very good response on Amazon.
Wow.
One very good family friend of us who encouraged me to start something. She always tell me कि सुषमा, तुम जो भी करोगे, you don't have to do something to earn only.
Yes.
You have to do something for your own. That gives you satisfaction. I have to take care of my daughter.
Yes. How old is she?
She is now 15 years, a teenager.
Okay.
She is the best critic of my work.
Yes.
I always tell her, it's good you are not my client. She always will tell, मम्मा आपने यहाँ ये डिटेलिंग ऐसे नहीं की. आप इसको यहाँ ऐसे डिटेलिंग दो तो ये कार्टून कैरेक्टर और भी अच्छा लगेगा.
So सुषमा, in this journey of कलाकारी, एक ऐसा फेज आया होगा जब डाउन जा रहा होगा ग्राफ, तब कैसे आपने अपना मोटिवेशन हाई रखा एंड यू कंटिन्यूड, क्योंकि एक आपको पैशन था इसके प्रति एंड यू ट्रस्टेड योर वर्क. तो ऐसा फेज कभी आया?
When we start, हमारे पास ऐसे फेज आते थे कि पूरे वीक कोई ऑर्डर ही नहीं मिलता था. एंड आई वॉज वेरी न्यू इन पुणे ना, तो पुणे में हमारा कोई सोशल लाइफ नहीं था जो मेरे को हेल्प कर पाता. तो but my husband always encourage me and support me कि no, you don't worry, wait, your work will your work will appreciate one day and you will get orders.
Yes.
So अगर कभी किसी ने हमको कांटेक्ट भी किया तो इनिशियल स्टेज में हम बोलते थे ओके, वी विल गेट द पीस रेडी फॉर यू. एंड जैसे we take 50% of advance at the time of order to confirm the order. So we said, people कहते थे कि no, how can we trust you that we will get the courier? हमको आप we will transfer you the amount and we will get the our order. I said okay, आपको सामान मिल जाएगा, उसके बाद आप हमको पैसे ट्रांसफर कर दें. It doesn't matter. तो मेरे को लगता था if I am getting one order and उसको मैं बना लेती हूँ, तो there will be, I can add in my page that I have created this piece today.
Yes. वो ट्रस्ट भी, एक अपने ऊपर भी ट्रस्ट आता है और लोगों को भी ट्रस्ट आता है when they see your work. Definitely.
So हमने बिना लोगों से एडवांस लिए उनको डिलीवरी की. And when after that, when they see the work and they got their order, then they paid us.
Wow. And Sushma, I saw that you're very close knitted with your workers, your craftsmen. तो वो फीलिंग जो है वो आपने शुरू दिन से डेवलप की, बिकॉज आई थिंक फर्स्ट आप ही एक अकेले होंगे जो बनाते थे, एंड नाउ यू हैव हाउ मेनी इन योर टीम?
At present we have 7 to 8. Now during the Christmas orders we are our hectic schedule is going on, so we are doing in 2 shifts.
Okay. Wow.
We are working in night till 1:30, 2 o'clock now.
Okay.
Uh,
Wow. And beautiful
so
Christmas advancing.
4 and 5 are coming in the morning now, and 4 and 5 are coming at 5:30 now.
Wow. So big achievement from being a sole craftsman and now you have a team जिनको आप लेके भी चलती है साथ में. So it's
Sure.
something सीखने वाली बात है बाकियों के लिए जो इस फील्ड में इस लाइन में है. तो सुषमा, what is your future plans कलाकारी के साथ में?
I want to Kalakari make a NGO. Let's see.
Okay. Wow.
Because the team members of my family, no one are designer, nothing there. They
Okay.
just come and join me as a domestic help. And I always believe that there is a hidden creativity and talent in everyone. So I just train them, and then their creativity comes out.
Yes. That's very
So I just and this not only gives them a good economic structure, also give them a self respect for themselves also. Wow, we can also do this.
yes, yes, definitely.
So
Sushma,
let's see where we will reach.
yes. Sushma, it was great talking to you and knowing Kalakari's journey. And we wish all the best to you. And we are looking forward for more designs and all your wishes and dreams come true. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with So To High.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for giving us this opportunity.
Yeah, thank you, Sushma.